Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your name in games. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the game on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. In here in set you just need to check my video description for this text. Text, just copy and paste over here and you will get a file. Just right click and select open with and select notepad and select the edit option and select find. In Find you just need to type player and select search option and just scroll down and you can able to see username. Just change this username player to your name, any name you want, type it and then select file option and select save. After saving it, just close it up here and it will be saved guys. Now open up the game. In game your name has been changed. For this game I doesn't know where to see my name for, but this method works for all games guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.